One of the most common fears for novice drill brush users is splatter. It makes sense. Drills are high-powered tools that can easily fling cleaning solution everywhere. But with a steady hand and these tips, you'll be cleaning like a Drillbrush pro. A common cause of splatter is the overuse of liquid soap. With most modern cleaners, a little goes a long way. You can minimize splatter by going lighter on the cleaning solution. Another alternative is to make a cleaning paste. By mixing a more viscous cleaner with some water, you can make a manageable paste that will stick to the brush better. In fact, you can even rub the brush in the cleaner before you begin. If the cleaner is nestled in the bristles, it's less likely to go flying. Perhaps the best strategy for keeping the mess under control is simply using a lower drill speed. Higher speeds may look rad, but they often just fling dirt around without being more effective than the calmer settings on your drill. A slower speed is also helpful for individuals who don't have as much experience with a drill, as a novice user will have better control over the machine. You don't want to make a mess when you're cleaning a mess. By managing your drill speed and using less cleaning solution, you'll be able to get your house clean the first time. Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video is a part of our tips and tricks series for our Drillbrush demo page. If you want to see all the videos in this series, we have a link to the page in the description below. And all the videos will be in a playlist here. Thank you for watching, and happy scrubbing!